Hi, MAST families. It's AP Sitar reminding you of our upcoming parent-teacher conferences next week, which will be held virtually on March 18th for evening conferences and March 19th for afternoon conferences. On March 18th, our conferences will be held from 5:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. And on March 19th, we will have a half-day schedule, and our conferences will be held from 12:30 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. In order to make appointments with your teachers for the conferences, you must use Teacher Reacher. So I'm going to show you how to log in or how to create an account. So the first thing you're going to do is go to teacherreacher.com. Once you're here, if you already have an account, you're going to click log in, and it will ask you for the email that you signed up with and the password that you used when you signed up in November. If you don't remember, you can just click forgot password and it will email you your password. If you don't have an account, you're going to click on sign up, and you're going to create the account by choosing your district, which is Mathematics, Science, Research, and Technology High School, entering your name and your title, entering your email address, and entering a password that is only for teacherreacher.com. It will ask you for your phone number and for the CAPTCHA, and then you're going to click create account. Once you create the account, it's going to send you an email. You need to go into your emails and look for the email from teacherreacher.com, in which you're going to have a link that when you click it will allow you to activate your account, and will also allow you to click again to log into your account. To log in, you're going to use your email and your password for Teacher Reacher. The district is once again Mathematics, Science, Research, and Technology High School. And then you'll have access to the Teacher Reacher scheduler. If you've never used this before, it's going to ask you to register the children. So you have to click in order to register the student. You're going to choose our school, put their first name, last name, and date of birth, and that's going to help the system find the student, and that will allow you to find their schedule and be able to make the appointments with the teachers. Let me show you what that looks like. You're going to now log into teacherreacher.com, and once you log in, it will show you your student's schedule. It will ask you to choose a conference date, so either the 18th or the 19th, and it will give you a list of all the teachers that your student has. Once you click on a teacher, it will give you the times between the different times on the different days, afternoon or evening, and you will see when the teacher is available for the conference. Once you choose a time that's convenient for you, you can also click on suggested topics. Do you want to speak about grades? Do you want to speak about homework, behavior, tests? You can also make a comment of your own and just ask a specific question so that the teacher is prepared prior to the conference. Once you fill this out, you make your appointment, and it keeps a schedule for you. On the day before the conference, you're going to receive an email with the schedules of all the conference appointment times that you made with the various teachers. So you'll know when to click on their link. On the day of the conference, you're going to go back into Teacher Reacher or into that email, and you're going to click on the Zoom link that will take you straight into the conference. So you only have 6 minutes for the conference, so you want to make sure that you're prepared with any questions or anything that you want to discuss, and you want to make sure that you're on time for your conferences. Once you fill this out, you're also able to ask for a phone call conference. If none of those times are convenient for you, you can ask for the teacher to call you. It will ask you to leave your phone number, and you can leave a message, and the teacher will be able to call you either the night of the conference or during office hours. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to me, AP Sitar, at ehacha-sitar@masths.org. You can contact anyone at the school or any teacher if you have any questions. We really look forward to seeing you next week, March 18th and 19th, and we hope that you have an amazing day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.